Hi, I'm Laura the Beauty Buster. I'm a celebrity esthetician from New York City, and I am coming to Ave Maria. I cannot wait to get started this September. I'll be at Salon de Maria doing facials, paramedical facials, reflexology, body treatments, lash extensions, foaming lashes, as well as makeup and expert eyebrow shaping. Definitely come and see me. I cannot wait to meet all of you. I'm really super excited. And just to tell you a little bit about myself, I've been an esthetician for about 20 years, and I have worked with all kinds of celebrities from Joey Fatone to Kate Blanchett. You might have seen some of my work on Good Morning America, Burger King, the New York Times, Fox News, pretty much all over, Oprah Magazine. I myself have been featured on Dr. Oz as a beauty expert, as well as Entertainment Tonight, doing the famous Game of Thrones detox facial, which I will be doing at Ave Maria. I'm going to have a lot of cool treatments, and if there's any treatment that you really love, just reach out to me, let me know, and I will potentially start offering it. I'll be doing nano needling and dermaplaning and really doing skincare that brings dramatic results and dramatic de-aging, as I like to call it. You can check out my website at thebeautybuster.com, and you can make an appointment by emailing me or calling me, or you can call Salon de Maria starting in September, but we are going to be booking up before then, so do not miss out on your opportunity for all of our introductory specials that we're going to be offering, and I will see you soon. Don't forget, my website is thebeautybuster.com.